Manong, we got news a while ago that Francis Lopez is moving to Japan and he will be joining the Nagoya Fighting Eagles.
Yes.
So, Francis Lopez played 2 seasons with UP, was a UAP champion, and
Mm-hmm.
a 6'6 wing. Talagang wing laro niya. This is not a 6'6 na that played like a center back in the Philippines. He was always a wing. AHS pa, grade school pa, he's always been that. So he's playing his
Yeah.
natural position.
Yeah.
In your opinion, do you think it was a good move for Francis to leave na to pursue this 3 year? Kasi 3 years daw in-offer sa kanya Nagoya.
Wow.
3 years.
That's
And
good
sabi,
for him.
it said in the article, sabi niya, it's life-changing money that I cannot ignore. So, based on the skills that you feel like, okay, sige, fine. Like, and after 2 years in the UAP na, sige, try mo na sa pro. Or do you feel like, maybe one more year in UP would have
Well,
been more
actually,
beneficial?
kasi it's really there's really other things that you will be able to learn. Uh, na matututunan mo lang siya by leaving an environment that you've grown up with.
Oo.
I feel like even so, if he stays for 1 year, the competition is gonna be the same for him.
Yeah.
He's gonna maybe stand out, physically and hopefully experienced as well, being a junior. But there are certain things that being in the pros as a rookie will
Mm-hmm.
teach you as well, not just in skills, not just in basketball. Marami ka pang matututunan, especially here in Japan. Grabe yung culture. There's a certain type of basketball that every team plays. It's not like you could just barge in and this is me.
Ganito laro ko sa Pinas.
Oo, 'di ba? So marami ka pang matututunan, and if it's like life-changing money
that
that he
that he
can't
said in the
ignore,
article, yeah. Mm.
good for him. We've always preached, how we all want to get breaded,
Yeah,
you
get that
know,
breaded.
and how we want to be successful in life in the long run. And yeah, I mean, he's been working out in the States this summer.
Did nga 1 month daw. Yeah.
Yeah, staying away from UP for a minute and then now playing back again in UP, now making this decision. And I think that's one thing also that Francis understood, that he's not gonna develop anymore as a player by staying. It's the fire, it's the for him personal growth that he thinks he's gonna get by leaving. Um, you know, maybe for a lot of people he still has a lot to prove, but I think he's done his part for UP,
Champion
winning a
naman eh. 'Di
championship,
ba?
uh,
Championship eh.
being runner up. Tama ba? Oh, 'di ba?
Yeah,
Nag-runner up
runner
din
up
sila,
sila nung rookie year niya, tama.
'di ba? And he's well immersed in situations.
Mm.
There was a game where he missed a couple of free throws that lost them the game. He was able to bounce back that following year, played more consistent, and really, uh, really improved on the role that he was assigned to. So kaya na feel niya din na wala na siyang kailangan improve sa UAAP, and I would support that. I would see that. And now it's a, it's it's a real thing out here. It ain't all rainbows and butterflies.
Hirap of
Um, we
OFW life.
we do get a lot of money, but you gotta be stable. Here you gotta be stable here.
Mostly here ba, Manong? Mostly
Ah,
here. Mostly.
here.
Talaga.
Sometimes uh the demons really get the best of you, na in a way na parang minsan pag mga pangit na yung laro mo, kung question mo kung marunong ka ba talaga mag-basketball, alam mo yun, yung mga ganyan. So, it has to really be up here. And if there's one advice that I would tell Francis, is to really mentally prepare for the grind. Because I think, maybe I can, or I mean, I cannot speak in behalf of my fellow Filipino people here
I
in
think
the
you
B
can. I
League,
think qualified ka. I think
in in,
qualified ka.
in the B League.
Ah,
Oo, kasi na-experience ko naman 'to, hindi naman ako nagsasalita na hindi ko pa na-experience yung mga ganitong bagay. So, ah, there are times talaga na mami-miss mo talaga, maho-homesick ka talaga, mamimiss mo yung bahay, mamimiss mo yung Pilipinas, mamimiss mo yung pamilya mo and everything like that. Ah, and you still gotta play and no one will give a fuck. We're in a professional world wherein um a lot of people are dealing with their own shit, but they still show up. Now, that's one thing that you have to learn. And there will always be things around you that will bother you, that will make you think twice, doubt yourself, and the likes. But you just have to learn how to um, stay on the grind, know why you're here, focus on the things that you can control, and put your head down and keep working. I think isa yun sa mga bagay na talagang natututunan ko pa rin every day, being here, being away from family. And yeah, the sooner Francis gets to learn that, it's gonna be an easier adjustment for him. But the only way he's gonna learn that is once he's immersed in the B League already, with his teammates and with everybody else.
Manong, we talked about, not we talked about, it was said in the article as joining the Nagoya Fighting Eagles. Dahil ka-division mo yung Nagoya, which you said to me kanina via text, what are they like? What team is he joining? What kind of team is he joining? How do you see him fitting in with that team? Do they have kasi walang alam at all about Nagoya. Do you
Actually,
see him
kalaban
become
namin sila this weekend eh. 'Di ba? Sabi ko nga sa'yo, kalaban namin sila this
Yeah,
week.
so what are we looking at here? This Nagoya team that Francis Lopez is joining by next year.
So I'm not really sure on how their roster will look like next year. Obviously with Francis there, but I don't know who the imports will be. All I know is one of their main guys, maybe their three guy, who also sometimes plays the four, excuse me, is leaving for another team. Um, they have an import who's a guard with Henry, Aaron Henry, if I'm not mistaken,
Mm-mm.
lefty guard.
Okay.
Uh, and they have Sean O'Mara, teammate ko yun before, and
Shano
Femi,
Mara.
Olojobi. 3-4 shooter, got handles and things like that. But for next year, I'm not really sure on who's staying and who's not. But with Francis, I think he could really help that team in that position wherein
Okay. So yun yung gusto ko malaman.
mawawala kasi yung kaposisyon niya, lilipat ng isang team yung starting three nila.
Okay.
So maybe that's why Francis is there. And I think
Do you have
yun
the
yung
name?
pwedeng.
Do you know the name?
Hindi, nakalimutan ko bro. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng lilipat eh.
Parang alam,
Ah,
Japanese rin. Ang hirap.
Japanese.
Oo.
Japanese siya. Nakalimutan ko yung lilipat pero
Pero he's a free agent and he's poised to leave. Like, yun yung balita
yes.
dyan. Okay, okay.
I think so.
Okay, that
Yes.
makes sense nga getting a 6'6" wing.
'Di ba?
So,
And
to
we'll
replace
play
him.
both ends as well. Rim
Ganun ba yun?
protector.
Ganun ba yung laro niya? Yung guy na papalitan niya, does he play similarly like Francis na athletic na Japanese player na...
He's like maybe around 6'3".
Okay, so he's a small ball na parang ano, na
But
forward.
he's like talagang brusco. Tapos
Bruce.
he could jump, he could shoot. He's a great shooter.
So parang katawan ni
Uh,
Brian Heruela.
Very
Bruce ko na...
physical, yeah, something like that. But stocky.
Okay, 6-3 na Stocky.
Mga ganyan.
Okay. So,
Yun ang
ganun
ano
yung pa
niya,
rin
mga kasama niya. Pero hindi ko alam kung sino yung mga imports na matitira talaga.
I'm sure they always ano that, diba? They get imports that will complement their locals.
Yeah, yeah,
Also
yeah,
their
they're
Asian
players.
import.
Yeah, 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 for sure, for sure.
Isa lang Asian import, diba? Per
Yeah,
B-League team.
one Asian and one naturalized. Or pala, not end. Or.
Or one naturalized. Ganun
Yeah.
pala.
Yes,
So we can
sir.
expect Francis Lopez na hindi siya mababury sa bench in terms of just by on paper na okay, it's a need. Hindi yung nagsa-stack up sila masyado on.
I think so. I think so. Yeah. Yeah. We could
Okay,
safely say that. Yep.
nice. And mukhang maglalaban kayo kasi may isang taon ka pa dyan, di ba? You have one more
Yes,
contract
yes.
here
Yeah,
with
magkakalaban pa kami.
Yokohama.
Magkakalaban pa kami. I'm excited for that. I'm looking forward. And, with us, we congratulate Francis for getting the bag. Do you, brother?
Ano pa ba for Francis? What was the last thing you learned late nung nandiyan ka sa Japan in terms of na when it comes to living there? The last thing you learned late. Nakala mo you have it all figured out and you're like, pucha, hindi ko to naisip pa.
Really, maybe what I said two podcasts
Kanina.
ago.
Oo, ano?
Just keeping the most important thing, the most important thing. I think
Oh,
that's one thing I've learned recently na alam mo yun, na wala ka ng oras para sa ibang bagay, bro. Like, you just have to focus on the positive stuff, focus on the things you need to be able to perform well, and let God handle the rest. Yun siguro kasi parang minsan nilalaban mo pa eh, 'di ba? Nilalaban mo
parang
pa
hindi,
na hindi
I wanna have,
ganito
oh,
ganyan. Parang hindi bakit kasi ganyan nilalaban mo pa eh pero minsan wala ka ng control dun eh. Alam mo yun, wala ka ng control dun, bro. Wala na tayong magagawa dun. Tapos na yan. Or, what are you gonna do about it? Andyan yung situation na yan eh. Hindi siya mataalis eh. 'Di ba?
oh, oh.
So, ganun siya. And actually, it's been easier. To be honest, this season, as much as we wanted to, of course, we want to make it to the playoffs. Unfortunately, we weren't just healthy enough to play as a unit. Everybody got hurt. Um, Tapos, ano pa ba? But when I actually learned that this year, parang this season just went by so fast.
Actually,
Nakafocus lang ako dun sa trabaho, wala nang ibang iniisip. Um, this is just basketball. Of course, off the court, iba yun. Iba yung mga,
mm,
kung ano man yung mga gusto mong, that's a different thing. But on the court, if that's what you're going through, just focus in, put your head down, and that's it. Yun lang.
I think that's pretty much it. That's our episode, guys.
Yes, sir.
Uh, for those on Spotify, follow 5-star ratings. YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. Nico here with Manong, Kiefer Avena with the Real Talk spatula there. Papagawa ko ng logo na may spatula na next
Yes,
time.
sir.
Kailangan i-implement yan eh. And as always, see you guys next time. Peace.